Dear Chairperson of the governing body of Orbicom, dear Secretary General of Orbicom, dear participants, ladies and gentlemen. As a former university professor, it gives me a great pleasure to address you today on the occasion of the annual Congress of the Orbicom network of UNESCO chairs in Communication and Information at the opening of its General Assembly. Since its creation in 1992, the UNITWIN and UNESCO Chairs program has helped establish a thriving network of more than 950 chairs and networks at higher education institutions worldwide. In order to promote international inter-university cooperation and institutional capacity building, and to foster state-of-the-art research and collaboration between UNESCO and academia. Through the program, higher education and research institutions worldwide pool their resources to address pressing challenges and contribute to the sustainable development of our societies. Communication and information is one of the areas covered by this important intersectoral platform. To date, over 80 UNESCO chairs are active in this domain around the globe, with several in the process of establishment. Orbicom is a unique mechanism that brings together brilliant minds in the field of communication development. It provides a collaborative space for creating sustainable solutions to today's and tomorrow's challenges, adapting a truly multidisciplinary approach. A world undergoing rapid economic, social, and technological change, including in the context of the COVID-19 pandemic, needs expertise and new thinking in communication and information more than ever before. With accelerated digitalization, digital ecosystems have become the new public commons, unlocking socio-economic opportunities, but also highlighting digital divides in terms of connectivity, digital literacy, knowledge and content creation, as well as access to information and opportunities. New forms of exclusion and inequality have been introduced in this new era, and new risks have emerged. These involve threats to freedom of expression, to privacy, as well as to safety. We see the effects of the rise of social media platforms, in which human interaction is mediated by algorithms that amplify engaging messages with direct impact on the well-being of ourselves, our friends, and families. Indeed, of our entire societies, and often in a disproportionate way of those already marginalized and most in need. Access to reliable and verified information is today more vital than ever before. Media plays a critical role in countering false and misleading information, as well as hate speech. Free, independent, pluralistic, and trustworthy media, as well as enabling environments for journalists to operate freely and without fear of persecution or intimidation, is crucial to build just, peaceful, and democratic societies. UNESCO chairs in communication and information contribute advancing the right to access information and to building inclusive knowledge societies. They do so by putting the potential of knowledge and digital technologies at the service of sustainable development, and by upholding the vision of information and knowledge as an essential public good. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the knowledge you possess, the research you produce, the learning opportunities you offer to the thinkers and decision makers of tomorrow are all key to build resilient, informed, and inclusive societies whose citizens are ready to seize the opportunities and address the challenges that inevitably will come their way. Universities, higher education, and research institutions must respond readily and with great autonomy to the emerging demands for new knowledge in the ever-transforming field of communication and information. It is my pleasure to note that many amongst yourselves have already demonstrated your enormous capacity to generate new ideas through research and reflection, and to enrich university programs through innovative curricular development and teaching. Collaboration between internationally recognized researchers and scholars across the world not only paves the way for new thinking, it is also a solid demonstration of international solidarity. This cooperative spirit has opened avenues for the global higher education and research community to join forces with UNESCO towards achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. Orbicom deserves due recognition for its accomplishments in strengthening UNESCO's links with scientists, research, and communities of practice across the world, thereby enabling Orbicom members to further contribute to international efforts in advancing societal progress. To conclude, I would like to acknowledge the important contribution and support of the University of Quebec at Montreal for making available the resources needed for Orbicom to operate effectively in its mission to offer a global platform for knowledge sharing, collaboration, and partnerships between the UNESCO Communication and Information chairs. This support is essential to unlock the chair's capacities to contribute to UNESCO's mandate to guarantee the free flow of ideas by word and image. I wish you fruitful deliberations and look forward to working closely with you in the years ahead. Thank you.